welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about my hair care routine, what hair products I love to use for my hair, what order I go in, why I like them, all that stuff. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So if you guys are interested in seeing my hair care routine and what hair products I love, then please keep watching. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about the products in the order I use them. So first up, we have shampoo and conditioner. This is the Pureology Serious Color Care Hydrate shampoo and conditioner for dry color treated hair. I discovered this shampoo and conditioner like maybe a year and a half ago or 2 years ago. I was getting my hair cut by my normal stylist and she mentioned that my hair is very dry and like my ends were really bad, and she asked what shampoo and conditioner I use. And I remember at that time I was using like a really cheap shampoo and conditioner and it really messed up my hair. So she recommended these. These were sold at the salon. They had like a bunch of different types for your hair, and she recommended the Hydrate one for me because my hair was really dry. And I bought it, and I know that she was like trying to sell it to me because it's like her salon, but I honestly just like went with it. I know what she's talking about. Like my hair was very dry. I know that she's like wanting the best for me, if that makes sense. Like I always get my hair cut by her. It's not like some random stranger. So I went ahead and bought it. I know it's kind of like more expensive, but you know, it is what it is. And I honestly don't wash my hair every day. If you guys watch my videos, you know that I don't wash my hair every day. I trained it to last like 4, maybe even 5 days without washing. So I actually don't use a lot of shampoo and conditioner because of that. So buying an expensive one or a little bit more expensive than regular, like that's okay with me because I don't use it every single day. So it's okay. It doesn't really bother me. Like this is gonna last me so long because I don't use that much and I don't wash my hair every day. And you also don't need a lot when it comes to this product, which is good. You only need a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. So I always do a little bit at a time, and if I need a little bit more conditioner today or a little bit more shampoo today, I'll go ahead and do that. But it's a really good shampoo and conditioner. It smells like peppermint. It smells so good, but the smell is really strong. So if you don't like peppermint at all, you're not gonna like this. Like I promise you, you're gonna be so like disgusted by it because it's really strong. I like it. It makes me smell really fresh and really good. So if you guys are interested, definitely check these out. I got these on Amazon. I actually bought it a couple weeks ago. I go like on and off with them just because of the price. Sometimes I don't like buying it every single time. Like sometimes I'll just opt out for getting Suave at like, you know, the grocery store or Target or something like that. But I came back to this and it just makes my hair so much better. I don't shed as much. I have thin hair, but I have a lot of it, so I shed a lot, and it's like kind of annoying. Maybe it's kind of gross to you, but in the shower, like my hair just comes out. Like it'll be all over my carpet in my room. Like it's just too much. So this really helps because my hair is really hydrated. It's not damaged anymore. So I definitely recommend these. I'm gonna have everything in the description box down below. So if you guys are interested in any of the products that I talk about today, just go ahead and check in the description box and I'll link everything. So these are really good. Definitely recommend these. So next thing that I have to talk about are 2 conditioners. So this first one is a Macadamia Professional Nourishing Repair Mask. This is for medium to coarse textures. And the second one is an Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. I go back and forth with these. It kind of just depends on what my hair needs. I use this one when my hair needs that like code red moisture emergency, like when my hair is super dry, super brittle, like really bad. That's when I go in with this one because it's really thick and you leave it on for like 5 to 10 minutes. So it is way more hydrating than this one right here. I use this one more frequently, like when I need a little extra boost that day. Like I don't need an incredible amount of hydration, like my hair is doing okay, but I do want a little bit of softer ends, something like that. So that's when I go in with this Aussie one right here. It's really good. I've been using this since like high school, middle school. This one was like my go-to. I recently discovered this one like, I don't know, a couple months ago. Like I never used it. I knew about it, but I didn't use it until a couple months ago. So I just go back and forth with these depending on what my hair needs. But these two smell really good. I cannot deal with hair products that do not smell good because it's just like, it's gonna linger on your hair, and if it doesn't smell good, it's gonna be like annoying. So all these products smell so good, I promise you. So if you guys are interested in deep conditioners, definitely recommend these. These are really good. So those 4 products, the shampoo, conditioner, and 2 deep conditioners, are what I use for my wet hair. So now I'm gonna talk about what I use on my dry hair when it comes to styling and all of that. So when my hair is dry, like I said, I don't wash my hair every single day. I wash my hair every 4, maybe 5 days. So of course, that means I need some good dry shampoo. So this is the Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo. This is the light and breezy fresh version. This is my favorite version. I've talked about this product and the Deep Repair Mask in my June and July favorites, I believe. So if you guys haven't seen those videos, definitely go check those out. I talk about them a little bit more in depth, but since I don't wash my hair every single day, I need a good dry shampoo. This is the best dry shampoo that I have ever tried. It doesn't leave any sort of residue. It doesn't leave, you know, white flaky pieces in your hair, like nothing like that. It absorbs the oil really quickly. What I do with this though, I spray it all over my hair and then I'll wait maybe like 5 to 10 minutes, usually around 5 minutes, and then I'll go in rub it in and it works so well. And then I'll take a brush and just go over it just to make sure there are no like little residues that are still hanging on, nothing like that. It's the best dry shampoo you will ever try. I've tried Not Your Mother's dry shampoo, didn't like that one at all. I've tried Dove's dry shampoo. I liked it, but it just doesn't do the job as well as this. Like the smell is really, really good. It's really strong. I think it's a coconut smell. It smells really good, but it doesn't absorb the oil as well as the Batiste one does. So for me, this is a must when it comes to my hair, just because I don't wash my hair every single day. So I need a good dry shampoo, keep it looking fresh, keep it smelling good. So this is what I use. Usually this is like the first step of my styling routine. So after this, I go in with a heat protectant. I'm gonna be honest, I have not used a heat protectant in like months. Like months and months and months. I don't know why. Something in me was like, oh, I don't need it. I'm just gonna straighten my hair really quick. I'm just gonna do a couple curls. I'll be fine. I don't need it. Girl, my hair got so dry and brittle and awful. Completely awful. I don't know why I was doing that to myself. Like literally, my hair was so bad. My sister had to come cut my hair. It was so bad. I don't know why I did that to myself. So I picked up a good heat protectant so I don't have to deal with that again. This is the Tresemmé Keratin Smooth with Marula Oil Heat Protecting Spray. Like I said, I haven't been using a heat protectant, which is really, really bad for your hair. Don't be like me. Use a heat protectant. Do as I say, not as I do, okay? I don't know why I thought like that I didn't need one. I don't know. Okay, I have no idea. So this is why I picked this up. I can definitely see a difference when I use this on my hair versus when I don't use it on my hair. Heat protectant is really important, and I've definitely noticed that like firsthand. I've always liked Tresemmé heat protectants. They make my hair really shiny, really smooth. They make my hair smell so good, so that's why I love this one. It's really, really good. I used to use the one in the black bottle. It was like black and red. I think that might have been the first original one that they came out with, but I'm not really sure. I used to use that one all the time. I think my mom uses that one, but this one is really good too. I don't use a lot of it. Like I said, my hair is very thin, so I can't put a lot of product in my hair because it'll feel really greasy and weighed down and kind of like gross. This product doesn't do that at all. Heat protectant is really, really important, so don't be like me, guys. Use your heat protectant. This one is really, really good, so this is the one I like to use. So after styling my hair, whether it be curling or straightening or slicking it up into a bun or a ponytail, whatever it may be, I need a good hairspray to keep everything in place. So I like to use this Tresemmé Compressed Micro Mist Hairspray. I talked about this in my July favorites, I think. This one is a really good hairspray. I like this a lot because the bottle is curved. And since the bottle is curved, you get a lot more product and mist when you spray. So you're actually using like a lot more product and not like wasting it, you know what I mean? And also this gives 50% less gas per spray, and it's just a really good hairspray. It doesn't make my hair like dry or hard or anything like that. I don't like hairsprays that do that. I need a hairspray that smells good. I need it to have a lot of hold, but I also need it to make my hair like really soft, so it doesn't even feel like I have hairspray in my hair right now, even though I have a decent amount of hairspray. They have different level holds. This is level 3. I think it's like 1 to 4 if I'm not mistaken. So this is a really good hairspray. I use it all the time. And lastly, to finish off my hair, I use this coconut oil from OGX. It's a weightless hydrating oil mist. I know it looks like I haven't used a lot of it, but this is my second bottle. It's really good. I did a lot of research on it before buying it, and everyone said that they loved it. It didn't weigh down their hair. It smells really good. And I definitely agree. This does not weigh my hair down at all, and it gives a really nice mild coconut smell. Like I said before, my hair is really thin, so if I put a lot of product, it'll just get really oily and really gross and just like weighed down and like just nasty, something that I don't want to have. This doesn't do that at all. This is really, really nice. I spray it like kind of far away just so it doesn't get super concentrated in my hair. If I were to like spray it like this, like my hair would get really oily and gross, but I'd use it when I'm done styling, and it gives a really nice shine and a good smell. Like the smell lingers all day. This is a really good thing to have, so you just mist all over finished style for optimal hydration and shine, and that's pretty much it. It's kind of like self-explanatory. If you want a little bit of shine after your finished style and you just want to like spice it up a little bit, make it smell good, you don't need a lot of this product either, which is really, really good. I feel like all of these you don't need a lot of product, which is good because it'll last you like a really long time. So the only thing that I use like the most out of this entire like hair care routine is my dry shampoo. That's what I use up the most and like the fastest, just because I don't wash my hair every day. I need that like oil absorption like pretty much on the 3rd, 4th, maybe even 5th day as well. So it's really good. All these products you don't need a lot, especially this one right here. I love this product. It makes your hair look really, really healthy. Even if it feels not that healthy to you and it feels kind of dull, it just doesn't look right, spraying this in does a lot. So that's pretty much all the products that I use. So that is it for my hair care routine and my favorite hair products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have tried any of these products before and you like them or dislike them or whatever it may be, let me know down in the comments down below. I'm actually kind of interested. And if you guys have any other hair recommendations, please leave those in the comments down below as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll get notified every single time I upload and you'll never miss a video from me. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.